Welcome back. I am so happy to have you here. These are the quiz codes for November 2024. These codes are good until the end of the month of November the 30th. So let's get to these quiz codes, shall we? So these are the codes for test.com to help you study for your National Counselor's exam. These codes are good until November the 30th. And if you have any questions about how to use the quiz codes, let me know in the comments, but I'll also put a link in the description box for you so that you can learn how to use them. But if that still doesn't work and you're like, I still need help, just put it in the comment section and just let me know, and then I will respond and give you some additional support. But happy studying. If you haven't downloaded the quiz app, QUIZIZZ. This is where you put the codes. For example, treatment planning 844-68053. You're going to put that into the enter code part of the quiz app or on your computer and click everything you need to go through, follow instructions, put your name in. There you go. And you have access. You can take it as many times as you want throughout the month until the codes expire, and then you would just have to go ahead and go watch another video for December and get those new codes as they come out every month. So make sure you, if you haven't, like and subscribe, and happy studying.